In this lesson, I am going to talk about another very important thing, which is depending on tools. So if you are a designer and you want to design something, I have seen a lot of designers that they try to debate over different tools, that Sketch is the best tools, Photoshop is old bag and something like that. Never try to focus on tools. So tools are there to help you build a better design. If you are a good designer, if you know how to use colors, if you know how to use typography, if you know how to build different layouts, you can do that in any program. You can use any app, whether it's Sketch, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe XD, or Adobe InDesign, whatever you are using, you can use that software or app to build your designs. So if someone has good knowledge of design and know how to design something, they can use any tool. So never try to be depending on your tools. Never try to depend or live for that tool, because right now if it's Sketch or if it's Adobe XD, maybe in the next 10 years the tools might change. There might be something else. So don't try to take them seriously, or don't try to take them over. You are the designer, you are in control. You can do that with any tool. You just need to get familiar with the shortcuts of that new tool. If for example, if I'm trying to learn Sketch or Adobe XD, the first thing I would do is I would try to get familiar with the interface, try to know how to use type tool, shape tools, or different colors, how I can use those. So that is all I need. Once I'm familiar with that tool, I can use that. Maybe it will take me 1 month max, or maybe 2 weeks if I use it regularly. So that is all you need. So don't try to depend on tools. Try to learn design skills. Once your design, you have a good base in design, you can do that using any tool. So that is all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Let's move on to the next video.